Still stuck in the 9 to 5 trap? Here's how I broke free and how you can too. I used to wake up every day to an alarm, fight through traffic, and build someone else's dream while mine stayed on the shelf. And the moment I stopped working, the money stopped too. But what if your income didn't depend on your hours? What if you could earn money month after month without selling a thing and without bothering your friends? I found a digital system that pays me a recurring income for the past 9 years, every month, from home, on my own time. It's called Dewpoint, and it changed everything for me. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need experience. Just a phone, the right steps, and a system that works while you sleep. Want my exact blueprint? The same one I used to escape the 9 to 5 trap? Click the link in my bio or comment freedom below to get it. It's free. Your freedom starts now. Let's build your future together. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.